Hello everyone and welcome to Satthwa. So on 23rd of July, we launched our product Biotin, and since then we've been getting a lot of DMs such as what is the product about, is it really going to help our hair, etc, etc. So here I am to clear all your doubts and let you all know how Biotin is going to help you in achieving your skin and hair goals. So the first question has been asked from Richa, Preeti, Gaurav and many more that what is biotin? Biotin is a water-soluble vitamin which is a part of a vitamin B family. It is also known as vitamin H. What basically it does, it converts your nutrients into energy. So it is a very important vitamin for your healthy hair and skin. If you are experiencing a deficiency in biotin, you can experience hair loss and even red scalp or rashes in your scalp as well. The next question that we have is from Swati from Bangalore. She asked, how does biotin basically work? So biotin improves your body's keratin infrastructure. Keratin is basically a protein that helps in making up your hair, your skin and nails as well. So that's how biotin basically helps. It is very essential. You may not experience or get enough biotin from your food materials every day that you have. So it's important to have a supplement like biotin, 1 tablet a day for healthy hair and skin. The next question is from Himanshi from Delhi. She asked, does biotin help in hair growth? According to dietary reference intakes by Food and Nutrition Board Institute of Medicine, inadequate biotin can lead to several harmful results such as thinning of hair, hair loss, weak hair strength and weak nails as well. The next question we have is from Dev, a fitness instructor and a model. He has asked, what are the foods that contain vitamin B7? There are a number of foods such as nuts, egg yolk, organ meats, cauliflower, mushrooms and many more. Basically raw food contain heavy amount of biotin as compared to cooked food, but since it's impossible to consume raw food, that's what leads to deficiency of vitamin B7. The next question is from Nisha Jan. Is it helpful for the hair and skin? Yes, it is helpful for hair and skin, and not just for hair and skin but for nails as well. Yes, you heard it right. For brittle nails or for nails that are not strong, there's a study that reveals that 2500 mcg of biotin every day will support stronger nails that don't break easily. The next question is from Vartika Gurgaon. How much biotin should I take for hair growth? There is no fixed amount for biotin. You can consume 1 tablet every day and it'll help you strengthen your hair. The extra biotin, your body just gets it washed away. The next question is from Shweta Kejriwal from Kolkata. Do they have any side effects and can they be taken without doctor's consultation? Yes people, biotin does have side effects, but it is a very rare occasion. The side effects include some digestive problems and that's it. It has never ever happened before and you can totally consume 1 tablet every day. The next and the last question people is from Shruti from Gurgaon. Does biotin thicken hair? Continued use of biotin for a period of about 6 months will result in stronger hair follicles and healthier, which will translate into healthier hair, stronger hair and fuller hair. There is reduced hair breakage, that means that your hair will grow longer in a shorter period of time. Another great benefit that comes from biotin is great hair color. Yes people, you get great hair color with the use of biotin because it replenishes your roots and your follicles. It is recommended that taking 1 tablet of biotin every day for about 2 to 3 months, leading to 6 months even, will result in stronger, healthier and fuller hair. So that's it for today people. I hope I've answered all of your queries regarding biotin. In case you still have a query left and we haven't answered them, you can totally DM us on our Instagram profile and we will answer them as soon as possible.